The BO-105 light helicopter was designed in the 1960s mainly for the civil market. But its advanced semi-rigid rotor system and twin-engine power plant provide excellent climb and agility, so it was not surprising that the type was also adopted for military service despite its high unit cost. West Germany's dedicated anti-tank version is the PAH-1, carrying the same basic armament of 6 hot anti-tank missiles as the Gazelle. It is also operated in conjunction with the APX-397 auto-stabilized sight in the cockpit roof. The West German Army deploys its anti-tank helicopter forces semi-permanently in their anticipated operating locations so that crews can come to know the relevant tactical features. This means that the PAH-1s can operate in West Germany's extensive woodlands with great freedom of action. These are the probable routes for a Soviet offensive against the Western Alliance. PAH-1 crews are trained to operate in small clearings and woodland gaps and can thus prepare ambush positions from which to launch long-range attacks with the heavyweight hot missile.